Back on Old Faithful, the old 325e90. Look at her in all its glory. Yeah, we're doing glow plugs and glow plug module. Because I replaced the glow plugs about 9 months ago, and the module 4 months later. But the old module was shit, and it knocked the glow plugs out.
Who's a tight ass?
Yeah. So let's get into it. Oh, and also we've got to find we've got some sort of exhaust leak.
Typical BMW. Right, I don't have a clue what I'm doing, but Jay is a BMW master tech now because he owns a BMW, and if you know, they're really unreliable. That is JJ.
I've also had the manifold off at least, I'd say at least 7 times, to be quite honest with you. What the fuck am I doing?
7 times. But let's do a time lapse on the inlet manifold, and I'm sure Jay will talk you through it. I think the most beneficial thing about this YouTube channel is we're doing jobs that we wouldn't normally do.